Guys, welcome to JetJanix. Okay, today we will learn how we can find a particular character in a text string. Okay, in our previous videos, we have learned how can we find the right three or four characters, how can we find the left three or four characters, and right three or four or any other character, and the mid. Okay, but today we are going to learn something special. If we want to, for example, subtract this 16 from this whole number, so how can I extract it? Okay, in this cell, I want to extract it in this cell. Your answer might be that we can use the mid formula. Okay, but I cannot use the mid formula because here the mid number is starting after the four character. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. So if I specify in my formula that the mid number is starting from the 4, for this cell it will give me the mid value. But here if you can see the mid value, this value is starting from the fourth one after the three digits. Okay, and here again. So in this case, if you see this one, the mid value or the required number is starting after the five digits. So the number of starting these numbers are not identical. Somewhere it is starting at the fifth, somewhere it is starting at the fourth, fourth, here again fourth, and here is the fifth. So I cannot use the mid option. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will use a logical thing here, and I will use the mid option, the mid formula, with the help of find formula. Okay, so how I'm going to do it, just press equal sign here, and we can just write mid. Okay, but only the mid will not be sufficient. So as you have typed the mid, we will specify the cell address, then comma. Okay, we have to find type comma, and from here we will take the help of a find option. Okay, so double click the find, and now we will tell the Excel to please find out the hyphen. Okay, find out the hyphen. Okay, so this is the argument. We are telling the Excel to find the hyphen, and then where you have to find it, so give the same space, the same address. Okay, in B5, find the hyphen in B5. Okay, and then what you will do, go one digit over the hyphen. Okay, which is the because I want to have this one value, not the hyphen. Okay, so I will just type plus 1. Okay, and then comma, and then I will specify after hyphen how many words I need. So I will just type the 2. Okay, that I need these two number, not only one, and then I will close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you see this one is very nice and very easy. We found this 16 here. Okay, and for here again we have to follow the same procedure. So mid. Okay, and double press it and specify the cell address, then comma, then find, double click the find option, and specify to find you the hyphen. Okay, and comma, again cell address, and now close this parenthesis, and you type plus, sorry guys, plus 1 comma 2. Okay, and you just press enter, because so we have the 18 here. Now if we double click the right bottom corner of this, we can have, you see, 19, 22 and 44 we have extracted. Okay, the other things might be, for example, I have a real life example here, and this is the code here I have calculated here, but just for your understanding I will do it again. For example, I'm interested in extracting these word, the small, medium, large, medium, large. Okay, and again we are having the same problem. We cannot extract it with the right option because it is starting from the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The is starting from the 7, and if I want to write, let's say, for the from the right, I have to specify the number of character I want. So these are the five numbers, these are the six number, these are the five numbers. So again, it will create a problem for me. I can't have a unified formula to extract me the small, medium, large. So what I'm going to do, again, I will take the help of mid option with the um, help of a find. Okay, so what I will do here, again, I will press mid. Okay, mid, and I will specify the cell here. Okay, and comma, again find, and double click it. Okay, and here we have one problem. Let me show you. uh, Hyphen, and again inverted comma. So after this, if I tell it to give me the proceedings number after the hyphen, because there are two hyphen and this cell, so it will give me these words, because the first hyphen it will encounter will be this one. So I have to specify, and I have to tell the Excel that do not give me the words after the first hyphen but after the second hyphen. So for this purpose, I am going to do the find option. I will use it for two times. Okay, so here I have to specify the cell. Okay, oh god, oh sorry guys, here. Okay, here I will press comma, and then I will specify the address. Okay, and again comma, and find option again. Okay, I will double click it, find, and inverted comma, second hyphen, inverted comma, again comma, and I have to specify the cell address again is here. Okay, the B14. Okay, that is B14. I will just write it here, don't worry. Okay, so B14. Okay, and now I will close the parenthesis, you see, and now I have to tell the Excel to go over one character after the first hyphen. Okay, and close it, and over one character after the second hyphen, and extract me, let's assume 10,000 words. No, sorry, it's okay, 5,000 words. So of course we don't have 5,000 words after the second hyphen, but I just wrote a very large number because I want to extract all the number after the second hyphen. Okay, now I will just close the parenthesis and press enter, and you see we have extracted this small thing. Okay, and if you want to use the same formula for the down cells, let me do it like this. Okay, so you just double click the right bottom corner and you will have all these things. You can extract it very easily with this formula, and it will save a lot of your time. I think it was very easy but a bit tricky, a very bit tricky. And let me show you the formula for this. Okay, maybe you want to use it for your work. So let me show you the formula for this one so that you can use it. Okay, so this is the formula for finding these values after the second hyphen. Okay, and the other one, this one, I will show you the formula here, equal to formula and formula text, click this one and press OK. So this is the formula for this one. Okay, I hope it helps and you would like it and you understood it. So please guys, like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.